Good morning students. Please open your English language and literature book, page number 22. Today we are going to start a new chapter, The Cactus. Before turning to the actual story, let's us little review of what exactly the writer wants to tell us about this whole story. Well, this is a story of a cactus that grows in a beautiful garden located in a small kingdom, Rimdim. The kingdom is surrounded by pretty flowers on all sides, but the cactus is the lonely figure in the garden. Later on, all the flowers want to become the friends of cactus. Let's find out what exactly happened that cactus become friends of everyone. Well, that's look like a very interesting story to me, isn't it? Let's discuss the summary of this story. In the middle of the beautiful garden stood a ugly cactus. It has 3 stems, look like a hefty clubs. As you can see in this picture, the garden is surrounded by beautiful flowers, but only a lonely figure, cactus. Thorns sprouted in these clubs in odd patches. Though to look at the cactus it seems tough, but at heart it was soft and gentle. It really wanted to be friends with the beautiful flowers, but they were rude to it because these flowers were proud of their beauty. Students, this cactus wanted to be a friend of other flowers, but they were very rude because they were proud of their beauty. They thought that cactus is very ugly. Why should we become friend to cactus? They didn't want to talk to cactus. They always creeping the cactus and that it's spoiling our beauty. It's look very ugly. Students, firstly note one thing. It is very bad and rude. You should never pass such comments on anyone, because everyone has been provided with a certain appearance by God. Once there was a severe drought in Rimdim. There was no water anywhere. The river, the pond, and even the well started drying. The poor gardener trudged 2 miles and returned with a pot or two, which he would give to his flowers. The people of kingdom started ran away to other cities, and gardener too went away from the kingdom. Now it was a drought time, dry spell in a kingdom, Rimdim, and everyone went away from the kingdom, and gardener too went away from this kingdom, and now the flowers left behind alone. That sounds like very tough situation in Rimdim. The cactus had plenty of water stored in its stem. Its students, it was a dry spell. All the rivers become dry, all the well become dry, but the cactus had a water in its stems. It stored water in its stems. The cactus offered the flowers to come and drink water from my stems, but the flower got hesitated. They didn't want to drink water from the cactus. Firstly, Rose came forward and drank some water from the cactus stem, and then the cactus offered water to all flowers. They drank the water and they became friends. Here, the cactus saved the life of all flowers, offered the water to drink, and all become friends. After some time, the situation became normal. The gardener came back and felt very happy to see the garden and asked the cactus, I know it must be you who saved others' life. I hope students you understand these lines that after everything became normal, the gardener came back and felt very happy to see the garden and asked the cactus, it must be you who saved others' life. All the flowers agreed to gardener's statement and feel regret for their behavior. Here, all the flowers regret for their behavior. They regret to cactus and appreciated the inner beauty of cactus. So students, this was such a beautiful story, gives us a very beautiful message that we should not go with the looks of someone. We should always think about the thoughts. I hope students you like this story. Thank you.